Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by assembling reference material and locking game options. Use clear photos, front, three-quarter, and profile, so facial features match. Once done, pick the target archetype and OVR because this determines attribute caps and development path. Also, make sure you select Create Player or Diamond Dynasty early. That choice affects available sliders, equipment, and likeness tools. By beginning with precise stats and visuals, you reduce rework later and keep the build focused on accuracy and playstyle. You now sculpt the face and body using sliders. Move jaw width and cheekbone height slowly to retain proportion. While editing, compare each change to reference images and use three-quarter views to confirm depth. Next, set height, weight, and wingspan to replicate proportions that affect swing radius and throwing speed. Once body shape is correct, layer hair, skin tone, tattoos, and facial hair, adjusting color and opacity so the avatar reads correctly under stadium lighting and in replays. You finish by assigning attributes and picking animations that reflect the player's trademark style. Prioritize power and plate skills if you want iconic hitting. Allocate fielding and arm based on position. Then select a batting stance, swing plane, and signature animations. These change timing and launch angles, so test them immediately. Once satisfied, run a few batting cage and exhibition sessions to confirm feel. If something is off, tweak sliders or animations, and save multiple presets so you can revert quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.